A 1 cm improvement in positioning accuracy is a significant leap for autonomous driving. The precise positioning of autonomous driving relies on ultra-high precision measurement tools. DAISCH's IFS3000 high-performance, fully functional, networked combined inertial navigation system. Single vehicle and multi-vehicle networking for ADAS and autonomous driving function validation. Accurately measures TTC time to collision, distance to target objects, and relative speed. Real-time display of V2V and V2L point-to-point distances. Real-time detection of moving targets and lane line measurements. DLAN dynamic low-latency networking technology supports real-time dual vehicle measurements. Complies with global NCAP, IIHS, and NHTSA standards. Simultaneously validates multiple automotive-grade perception sensors with multi-sensor points. Precisely maps the external contours of objects in the scene with 36 anchor points. Easily handle complex road scenarios such as tunnels and high buildings. Fully meets the high-precision parameter requirements for autonomous driving testing. DAISCH IFS3000 Kit. High-performance GNSS, INS combined system.